How to turn off notification in 8-ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to turn off notification in 8-ball pool. Turning off notification in 8-ball pool is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open device setting. Go to the setting app on your mobile device. Once you are on the setting, find app. Scroll down and select app or application. The name may be different depending on your device. Locate 8-ball pool. Scroll through the list of installed app to find 8-ball pool and tap on it. Or you can search it in the search bar. Tap on notification. You should see a notification option. Tap on it. Disable notification. Toggle off the notification for the app to stop receiving any alerts. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can turn off notification in 8-ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.